Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Adobe Photoshop subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Adobe Photoshop subscription. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. To cancel your Adobe Photoshop subscription, go to your Adobe account page. Sign into your Adobe account and then move to the Adobe Plan section. Select the Manage Plan option and then choose Cancel your plan. You will be required to provide a reason for your subscription cancellation. When done, click Continue. You will then be notified about your cancellation charges, and it depends on the subscription plan you purchased. Then click on the No Thanks button if you are not interested in any of the offers provided by them. Now hit Confirm to cancel and then click Done, which will terminate your subscription plan. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel my Adobe subscription on iOS device. Open the Settings application on your iOS device. Now go to the iTunes and App Store and sign into your Apple ID. Navigate to your subscriptions section and then select the Adobe subscription that you wish to cancel. Tap on the Cancel Subscription option and then confirm the procedure. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel Adobe Photoshop subscription. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.